Hi, I'm friends, and today we have a short tutorial. It's about how to make a timer in Roblox. We have our Roblox Studio, our project, and let's do it. Let's go to Starter GUI and add Screen GUI, and now add text label. It's our label, and here will be our timer. So let's change the size and go to Properties. Do some changes, for example, change border color for blue, for example. Let's increase border size. Now it's visible. Change text stroke color. Let it be red, for example. Okay. Change text size. Transparency, whatever. So we have it like that. And I will remove our text now. I will remove it. And now I will add to our text label, I will add script. And instead of printing hello world, I want to have our timer from something like 30 seconds, for example, to 0. Okay, and it's to be easier, at the very beginning I will add some local variable text label in order it to be script parent, not to write script parent every time, but to be easier, to be shorter. And now the loop, while true, do. Okay, and what do we have to do? Let us choose some variable k, for example, and at the very beginning it's 30 and until it will be 0. And what are we going to do? We'll be subtracting 1 each step of the loop, but what do we have to do? We have to add wait. Oh, I'm sorry, it's already task wait. It's instead of wait like it was before. Task wait, for example, 1 second. It could be 2, 3, 5, as many as you wish, but let it be 1. Okay, and then in each step, this key has to appear on our screen, like our text. So let's write it like our script parent, but instead of that, I'm writing text label and text label text. And our key has to appear. So I think that's it. It's okay, but we have a mistake here. For now, I think it's good. Let's try it. I think it works. Thank you. That's it. Bye.